Asalamualaikum. Today we're going to be making the closest representation to loamy soil as possible. Let's do it. Now, the first ingredient that we're going to use, or I'm going to use, is bone dry soil. This is optional. You can use normal garden soil as well. Now, the second ingredient we're going to use is sawdust. Now, this might be a bit strange, but sawdust and wood itself is very good at holding moisture. You might see at the back of compost bags they use wood fibers or just wood dust itself or something related to wood. So you might be wondering why I want loamy soil, and that's because a lot of plants like flowers, well, lots of flowers actually, and different types of plants actually need loamy soil. So now I'm going to add some water. Alright, so now that the mixing process is done, we have our soil. And as you can see, it not only looks, but it's actually got a really nice texture to it. So now, let's actually compare it to loamy soil from a compost bag. So to see the legitimacy for all you viewers, we're going to compare it to normal loamy soil from a compost bag. So let's see how that goes. Now let's do a final test. This is the one that we've made with sawdust and garden soil and also water. And this is the one from a compost bag that was around £15. Let's test both of them with water. So I've got the water over here. Now let's test the compost bag one first. Now as you can see, when we water this, it stays loamy. Well, not really loamy, it just doesn't harden like normal garden soil. And then if we try ours over here, you can see that hasn't either hardened up. Now normal garden soil hardens up, whilst this doesn't because all the sawdust we put in it. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Assalamualaikum.